I'm Brian Beattie, a local Austinite. I moved here from Connecticut when I was 18 years old in 1979, and I just fell in love with Austin. I love it here, and ever since I've been here, I heard stories about the Spanish coming through in the early 1700s, but those were obscure, separated stories, and also stories about the native people that lived here. But they all seem to be these little snippets of stories as compared to this other story of the founding of Austin and the founding of the Texas Republic and all that kind of stuff. And I was always curious about the stories that people weren't telling because they seemed pretty rich. And so as I've over the years, as I've lived here, I read as much as I could about El Camino Real de los Tejas, and I didn't even know that there was a National Historic Trail until a few years ago, and it seemed like the most exciting thing, and yet hardly anyone in Austin particularly knows about it. I have an obsession with this that is very peculiar, and the only way I can relate it is like falling in love. It's like you don't know why it's happening particularly, but you can't stop thinking about it, and it's the most wonderful thing.